Confirmation coming in that Prime Minister Narendra Modi, while in the United States, will also be meeting with US Vice President Kamala Harris. This meeting will happen on September 23rd, a day before Prime Minister Modi meets with US President Joe Biden in the maiden bilateral meet between Prime Minister Modi and Joe Biden. This will happen ahead of the Quad Summit as well. So there is going to be a meeting between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and US Vice President Kamala Harris. Geeta Mohan is joining us with more details on this. Geeta, good morning. Just take us through, what exactly the Prime Minister's schedule is going to look like. Confirmation coming in from the White House that he is going to be having that bilateral with Joe Biden on September 24th. A day before that, he's going to also be meeting with the Vice President Kamala Harris. Geeta, if you can hear me, give us more details on the schedule of the Prime Minister's visit to the United States. Apologies, we've lost that connection with Geeta. We'll get back to her in just a bit over this broadcast to get your details of the Prime Minister's packed US visit. A number of issues on the agenda, really, and also a slew of meetings with all the top leaders in the United States. Geeta, I understand, is back with us. Geeta, good morning. If you could give us details, really, of what's on the agenda for the Prime Minister when he visits the United States later this week.
Well, Akshita, it is an action-packed visit for Prime Minister Narendra Modi after a long hiatus because of the COVID-19 pandemic. This is going to be his first visit abroad in 6 months. He is going to hold bilateral meetings with all the three Quad leaders, along with the leadership summit in Washington, D.C. So there's going to be a bilateral with Biden. Focus is going to be regional security situation, particularly Afghanistan. There is going to be a conversation and bilateral with Scott Morrison of Australia, Suga of Japan, as also the in-person Quad meeting that will focus on how to counter China's aggression. Indo-Pacific, we know that AUKUS is a very important defense factor between and among Australia, UK and the United States of America. Many believe that this really was a concern for India, but US has allayed those fears, saying that AUKUS is not going to impact in any way the kind of work and the kind of cooperation that you see in Quad, which is beyond just a security alliance. So that's going to be the focus in Washington, D.C. He's also likely to meet top CEOs of the United States of America. He's done that even in his past visits to Akshita. We have given to understand that Tim Cook of Apple might meet Prime Minister Modi. There could also be a meeting between Kamala Harris and Prime Minister Modi. Those meetings have not been firmed up yet. And then he has the huge 70th session of the United Nations General Assembly, where he will be addressing the UN. And again, focus will remain Afghanistan, regional security and terrorism.
All right, Geeta, thank you for joining us with all those details. We'll continue, of course, focusing on the Prime Minister's US visit slated to happen in a few days from now.